Right, the sun's going to come out in a minute, so we'll do this demonstration just in case. Here comes the sun. Anyway, we've got a panel that's 17 volts maximum power point and a charge controller and a battery. The battery is connected to the charge controller. You always connect the battery first. Yep, it wakes it up, and especially with a 12 and 24 self-sensing charge controller, which will do either voltage, you need to tell it what it is. And here's the sun. Right, I think we can see. So here's the panel connections. Now that one should be the positive, but as we remember, always check and always label. Open circuit voltage, yeah, it's the correct polarity, so that one is the positive. So here we go, positive comes down here, it's labelled red, and we'll connect it. The negative, from the negative there, connect it. Right, obviously the battery is fairly well charged. Just go through this. See, it says 100%, 13.4 volts, that's the battery. We're charging at 0.8 of an amp. We're in a bit of a shade, so let me just move the panel. Okay, now we got full sun on the panel. As you can see, 5.4 amps. %% battery, 14.1 volts, 5.6 amps. Let me just put some shade on this panel and lift the shade off. There you go. So the panel's connected to there, where it shows panel, and the battery's connected to there. Always connect the battery first. And this here, as you can see, this is a stecker. This here is a DC output, but it's controlled. So in other words, if the battery voltage goes low, it switches the DC load off, which is a good thing. But you wouldn't connect your inverter there, because you'd be drawing a lot of power. This is for things like a DC fridge or some low level lighting. The inverter goes direct to the battery. Look, we're on 7.1 now, if you can see that, which you can't. And then we just got a bit of cloud and the current goes down. We're actually just catching the edge of the top of a tree as well, which is about typical when you're doing a demonstration. I was just trying to catch this little window in the clouds. So there you go, and we'll cover the rest of this system in class.